Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Vaughan, and I'm director of the Plant a Million Corals Foundation. And we have the grand opening and an open house today to show people how we do this at scale. But it's also a world opening to show the world for our scientists and students and people who want to be citizen scientists to come help us make corals. And just like the name says, Plant a Million Corals, that's what we hope to hit in less than 2 years. It's about 700 million people rely on coral reefs and the fish and the crabs and the lobsters they produce every day to live. If we lost our coral reefs, we'd have to feed almost another billion people. Corals are one of the first things that are being hit hard by climate change, so we must stop that. But the good news is there's hope, and I want everybody to know that we can grow corals and replant reefs. We also have our local Monroe County Tourist Development, and they have been putting monies into restoration of corals. And for the Florida Keys, we're now becoming the coral restoration capital of the world because we've got scientists and volunteers and students working day and night to try and produce millions of corals and plant them back on the reef. So I'm real excited about living here in my backyard, the Florida Keys.